can do it. Perfect. That'll be another video. All right, what's going on today, guys? So if you guys are here for the snowmobile video, check out episode number 1. That's coming soon, don't worry. I'm doing that literally after this, but this was too hard to kind of give up on. I've watched TikTok for years since it came out. I've watched YouTube videos since it came out, and I've always seen guys basically saying, hey, I got this sweet deal and I fixed it up and I sold it for this. And I always thought that I should be able to do that. Now when I say I should be able to do that, that means you guys also should be able to do that. I'm not a mechanic. I'm all self YouTube taught. I went to university. I have my union job. I sit back, I relax, and then when I come home, I got nothing to do. So I always thought doing something like this, trying to fix things up, get things working, resell them to other people, was gonna be a game plan. This was a good deal. Why? Free. Yeah, I'll say that again. I promise you, in Canada, I live in Canada, shit's not cheap. You guys are from the US, you have no idea what life's like. Canada, this thing is free, absolutely free. And the guy lived 5 minutes away from me, which was another big win. Shout out to my buddy Corey for letting me borrow his truck. Probably would have fit in the SUV. Trailer hitch is probably what I'm gonna have to start investing in. So this is absolutely free. The guy said it did run, but needs a new belt, right? Which is fine. Let's kind of check this out, see if I can get it going. If not, who cares? It's free. But if so, maybe I could sell it, see what's going on. Let's check if there's any gas in it. Full of gas. That right there maybe smells like Supreme. That right there is probably $5. I'm up $5. Cha-ching! All right, this thing's obviously missing a few nuts. This thing's barely being held on. Don't know if you guys can see that, but it is literally being held on by nothing. But this thing has like a nut, and then another nut on this side. So let's get this belt cover off. All right, let's see what we got going on here now. Yeah, belt's looking a little raggedy. Again, that looks like it should be all right. Let's check to see if there's any oil in it. Doesn't smell gassy. So full choke or full running. We're gonna primer. Feeder. All right. So again, free starts up, which is good. It runs, just needs a little bit more choke, which is fine. Carb might be clogged up. So this thing actually runs better than the snowblower that I have. Mine's kind of like running rich. This belt right here is loose. All right, there you go. So again, the guy was right. He was honest about it. Again, needs some TLC, which is fine. But as you guys can see there, it's super easy, right? So it's just this auger belt that's here. It is obviously kind of caked up with a little bit of oil. That's just over years or whatever it is coming out of some gasket somewhere. But not too bad. There you go, right? So all I gotta do is I gotta buy a new belt for it. Again, it's pretty easy to kind of get the belt for it. If you just take that belt off and kind of bring it into another shop, figure out exactly what belt you need. Pretty easy, I'm assuming, to take off this. The tensioner pulley right here, but really I could probably even just rip this off right now. I may actually have to split the auger off. So when you buy a house, make sure you invest in power tools. Yeah, I'm gonna need this. I don't think that's so strong. So strong. Yeah, once I loosen that up, oh, and there we go. But gas is just dripping out of this thing right now. There we go. You kind of leave that thing right in there. Hand tighten it a little bit. Never been taken off before. Still got the Loctite on it. All right, so as of right now, all I can do with that little bad boy, this thing's probably gonna go right over there. I'm probably just gonna tighten up one of those bolts, one on the other side, one on the other one, so I can actually move it around. And then I'll just put it over there, get a new belt, and I'll be right back with you guys. All right, it's a few days later. Look at where the snow's gone. We literally see grass now. All right, so we left off taking the auger belt off. Got a new one, so I'm gonna try to put it on, see if it makes a difference. If not, maybe there's something going on with this tension. So like I said, I'm not gonna split the whole thing because that's gonna be a pain to get back on. So that's gonna be on there, but that does seem fucking tight. I feel like the auger would just always constantly be going. Not gonna make it too tight. So as we can see, belt's way too tight. As you guys can see, belt was too tight last time. Went back, got a new one. It was a 36 inch. I think it was one and a half, 36 inch. So free snowblower. All it was a belt. All right, so the GoPro cut out, battery dead. As you guys can see, all the snow is gone. There's a little bit over there. Oh, there we go, a little bit over there. But that's it. So I'm not gonna sell this thing until I actually get the chance to see if it blows snow. There you go. I'll keep you guys posted on that. If you guys like the video, like up. See you guys next time.